Now we continue by creating the second page. So the second page is named as the profit. Yeah, so you click the plus button. After that, this page you're going to rename to become the profit. Okay, then after that, we're going to populate the second page with this. So we have the slicer region, but in the region you want to display the select all, this one. And then matrix, which contains the row, the year, then the value, order, sales, cost, profit, and profit margin. Okay, so I'm going to do that. First is we already create the profit. After that, we add the slicer. The slicer is on the left. Yeah. After that is from the region. Okay, region. Okay, here you go. Yeah, add the field. Okay, after that, in the selections, we're going to display the select all. Yeah, this one don't have the select all. Okay, so how to do that? Click this in the visualization. Sorry, in the visualization. After that, format. Yeah. Then after that, slicer setting. Then selection. You select show select all. Yeah. Okay. Now this one. Yeah. So we have this. Okay. Then second is to create a matrix. And then matrix, this one. Yeah, so create matrix and put the position. Make it bigger, I guess, and then wider. Okay, after that, add the date fiscal to the row. Yeah, date fiscal hierarchy. Yeah, okay, to the row here. Okay, now you have the hierarchy. You can expand, yeah, by year, by quarter, or by month. Okay, after that, add the following 5 sales table field to the value, well, or area. Yeah, so sales orders. This one, yeah, go to the value. Not column, yeah, but value here. So process the orders column from the sales table. And then after that, oh sorry, counts, yeah, from the counts, yeah, here. So orders, go to the value, yeah. The second is sales. Okay, after that, sales cost. Okay, after that, profit from pricing folder. Okay, after that, profit margin, the last one. Okay, good. Yeah, so more or less it's like this. 739, 16 million. After that, 16 million, 6800, 131, 6362, and then 0.8%. Okay, so that's the page 2. Then after that, we're going to apply the filter. In the filter pane, located at the left of the visualization pane, yeah, this one, filter, yeah. Then you're going to add the filter. So filter on this page. Yeah, this one, not on the features or visual, but the filter on this page. Okay, you're going to drag and drop product category, product category into this, add the filter on this page. Okay, then after that, inside the filter card, at the top right, select the arrow to collapse the card. Yeah, here you go. And then after that, so yep, and then add the data fields here from the product subcategory. Add to the this filter. After that, add the product. After that, yeah, so subcategory, so product should be below. Okay, I move this up. Yeah, category, subcategory, product, and then color. Okay, yeah, so we have the color. So from the top category, subcategory, product, and color, 4 data or columns, used for filtering the page. So you can flexibly later to filterize to filter the this data, in a matrix. Okay, save the Power BI, and then after that, the design of the second page is now complete. Okay, so this is the filter on the page. Currently is off, but you can change this. Okay, so I save, then we'll continue with the page 3.